at an ocean beach. Do you think that the rocks will change over time? Before you answer, watch this. A single wave might not be strong enough to break a rock, but ocean waves crash against the shore over and over again, day after day, year after year. Eventually, the waves will break apart the big rocks and the seashells into small particles, as you see on this beach. What's going on? The process is called weathering. Weathering is the slow process that breaks materials into smaller pieces. Weathering is a big part of the formation of many landforms, including canyons and cliffs and valleys and beaches. Weathering might shape a landform over hundreds, even thousands of years. It's an example of a slow change to Earth's surface. Three main causes lead to weathering. One cause for weathering is rushing water. The river will gradually weather large, sharp-edged rocks into round pebbles. You can find pebbles like these along the shore of a river. Weathering from rivers can also carve out canyons like this one. See the river at the floor of the canyon? Over thousands of years, it broke apart all the rocks that once filled the space between the canyon walls. Pounding ocean waves form beaches and other landforms along the coastline, like this sea arch and this amazing cliff. Another cause of weathering is the wind. When the wind picks up bits of dust and sand, the pieces slam into the rock, making pits in the surface. The wind also sculpted this unusual mushroom-shaped rock. The wind picks up sand close to the ground and carries it away, so more of the lower half of the rock was weathered and carried off. The third cause of weathering is ice. A huge mass of moving ice is called a glacier. It acts like a giant bulldozer as it breaks apart any rock in its way. Ice can also weather rocks from the inside. The process begins when rain falls in warm weather and the water seeps into cracks in the rocks. When the weather turns cold, the water freezes into ice. Water expands when it freezes, so ice inside a rock can cause it to crack apart. This process is called frost wedging or ice wedging. The slow, gradual changes from weathering sculpt Earth's surface features. Weathering affects Earth piece by piece, day after day, year after year.